Welcome to Interior Design, the YouTube channel. Immerse yourself in a palette of inspiration as you delve into the world of kitchen wall painkillers that breathe new life into colory spaces. Our channel is curated showcase of inspiring ideas that transcend the mundane, offering a spectrum of hues to elevate your kitchen's ambience from soothing pastels that create a serene atmosphere to vibrant tones that energize the space. Our video guides you through the nuances of selecting the perfect color scheme. Discover how contrasting color of subtle grades can define various zones within your kitchen, imparting both personality and functionality. Whether you lean towards classic neutrals, bold statement colors, or trendy two-tone designs, our insights cater to diverse tastes and design preferences, exploring the transformative power of color as we showcase the impact of paint choices on cabinetry, backsplashes, and overall kind aesthetics. Join us on a journey of creative exploration where kitchen wall color combination becomes a canvas of your culinary adventure. Uncover the secret of achieving harmonious balance between color and functionality, creating a kitchen that not only delights the eye but also enhances the joy of cooking and gathering. Let your kitchen wall tells a story of inspiration, innovation, and the joy of vibrant living. Thanks for watching. Also subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.